Hi, we're at 39 Dalton Street, aka the old Sheraton Hotel. It's the newest building on campus for housing. Not sure if it's just a freshman housing, but you know. So we're gonna walk into the common room. Here it is. This is where people come to study. Sometimes people come to hang out. Sometimes we just have sort of gatherings with the residence directors and the RAs. Last night was St. Patrick's Day, so we had an ice cream social. In order to go up to my room, we have to take the elevator, so we push the button. Oh my goodness, an elevator. We're going up to the 15th floor. As you can see, we pressed a button. It'll show you up there what floor we're at. Welcome to the 15th floor. As you can see, it looks like a hotel. It even has the signs that a hotel would have. My room is 1550, so we have to go this way. So here at the Sheraton, which is a little different than everyone else's, we get a key card. This isn't our usual Husky card or have a code. So we just, like a hotel, tap the room and then it blinks and you can open the door. Sometimes it makes that noise when you open the door. This is my roommate, Ashley. We knew each other from high school, so yeah. So this is our room. It's a very standard hotel room. That's one desk. This is my desk. That's my bed, featuring my octopus. His name is Ollie. We really like him. He doesn't flip in and out. He's not one of those. He just kind of exists as himself. This is the view into the other hotel. That's the actual Sheraton. We are not allowed to call this building the Sheraton. It is 39 Dalton Street because it was just purchased by Northeastern. So here we have our Keurig. It doesn't get a lot of use because my roommate is afraid of it. So we don't use it all that often, but she's good to me. Here we have a mirror, and you may be wondering, why is there a mirror on the microwave? And the answer to that is because it is also a light. When we moved in here, there were no lights in the room at all. They didn't give us a lamp, so we had to put lights up, which is why we have the dragonflies, this lamp, and then also some desk lamps on our desks. We also have the fridge. It's a micro fridge, it's a combination. This is the microwave. I don't think we have anything in the fridge. Oh, there's the Breanna. We do have peas in the freezer though. I'm not entirely sure why we have peas, but we rented it, so it just stays here when we go home in the summer. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We also have lights. I don't think they work anymore. I'm pretty sure the batteries are dead. Oh, update, they are not. It's green. Okay, now it's off. Standard in living at the Sheraton, you also get a bathroom. It looks like a hotel bathroom. It's got the mirror and everything. It's the sink. We bought these things to keep our room kind of clean, you know. And then it's a shower. There is only one towel hook in here though, and we never felt like putting up another one. So one towel just kind of sits on the shower like bar thing. Yeah. There's a closet. This closet is here. This is our coat closet. It also houses some shoes. But then we also have that closet, which is just kind of standard to all the buildings. When you are in a building, I think you get one of these. depending on like the 2 people. Don't you get 2? Do you get 2? Oh, I think it's because we have a closet, so we only get 1. And then there's a drawer down there. And then the other standard for rooms is this chest thing. There's 2 drawers. This one is being used for not clothing purposes. It's a snack drawer and also a miscellaneous drawer. That's just, we throw a bunch of things in there. Okay, so that was the room. And so now we're gonna show you something just as exciting, the trash room. So every floor, I'm pretty sure, is the standard that when you walk past the elevators, you go into the trash room. So you have recycling and then 2 trash bins. It's just kind of used as that. You're allowed to like throw everything just in it. You don't have to put it in a bag, like you can just come out and put it in. So yeah, they collect it pretty regularly. It's kind of scary how fast they collect it. Like sometimes I'll go to throw another thing out and then the thing I just threw out was gone. So now we're gonna go to the laundry room, which means we have to go down. The laundry room is on the 5th floor, and they put signs up so that we knew how to find it on the first day we were here. Welcome to the 5th floor. This is like the little hub, like the heart of the Sheraton. As you walk in, it smells just like laundry. So first off, we're gonna start by coming over here. These are the residence director's office. We have 2 residence directors, Julia and Caitlin. So those are the residence directors. This was a common room at first before we had the new one. So now it just looks like this. I'm pretty sure it's just being used for like meetings now. I'm not entirely sure what this is. I guess we're gonna get our own mail facility here. Okay, now we have the resident assistant's office, which is 1 more room down. It's this one. This, fun fact, is my RA. She lives on my floor at the end of the hall. So yeah, so that's where the RA is. You need to find him on the 5th floor, 560. So then, if we go to the other end of the hall, we'll be in the laundry room. You can already kind of hear the laundry room, but I don't think it's that loud all the time. It's not that bad when you go in. So now we're in the laundry room. One different thing about this versus being on campus is that we have a different way we do laundry. So we have to download an app. It's called My Magic Pass. So on campus, you can do your laundry using like your Husky card or just your credit card. Here you can't do that. You have to use an app. So it's called My Magic Pass. You follow the instructions that they so nicely left out for you. We can't use our Husky cards to pay for this. So they're like, well, you just get Husky dollars instead. So we get $75 worth of Husky dollars versus getting laundry dollars. So this is what the laundry room looks like. It's pretty typical, standard, washer, dryer, that's about it. There are a lot of them though, so you never really have an issue doing laundry. This has been 39 Dalton Street. Thanks for visiting my crib, but you guys have to go now. Like, I've got somewhere to be, so bye.